A walking street named Rahguzar. Renowned architect Yasmeen Lari had organized a traditional street breakfast at Karachi's Denso Hall. The event was meant to enable the guest experience Denso Hall Rahguzar walking street. It happens to be the Metropolis's first eco-enclave behind Denso Hall off MA Jinnah Road that has been patronized for public good by DIG South, DC South, Administrator DMC South and community stakeholders with Heritage Foundation of the Port City. This is an informal collaboration to provide holistic arrangements driven by climate-smart, eco- and heritage-driven, women-centered strategies for creating inclusive humanistic environments and social ecological justice for the benefit of all. All efforts are on an honorary basis for public good and livable and equitable living conditions. The first projects comprise work on the Red Trail with current focus on Karadar Chowk segment in the historic urban core. Conspicuous among others who attended the event, there were Enrico Alfonso, Vice Consul, Consulate General of Italy, Nadeem Mirza, Bulez Lightning, Shehnaz Ramzi, Starlinks, Nahid Maiman, Oracle Power, and Shehzad Abdullah Kaisar. Yasmeen Lari calls herself an architect for the poorest of the poor.